So, your wallet hasn't been hitting the same numbers as before, huh? Trust me, I've been there. But you're in the right place, because this video is where I lay out the playbook I've been using to pull in solid returns. Follow these steps and repeat them many times, to finally see your BAT grow the numbers of the one you're seeing on the screen. Sure, launching a consistent money-making meme coin sounds amazing, but pulling it off? That seems like a whole different beast. I was stuck in that mindset for a while too, but then I came across a game plan that actually worked. I'm about to walk you through every part of it, so pay attention. Your future self is gonna love you for this one. Let's begin with an ugly truth. It needs to be said that Pump.Fun is so saturated that everything launched there just blends into noise and dies off fast. I won't lie, I used to hit a few decent plays on it, but that success is long behind me. These days, it's mostly a place for people to offload their tokens onto whoever shows up as a clueless buyer. No need to waste more time. We're going straight to where your meme coin actually stands a chance. Instead of tossing it into the void, we're moving to Radium, where coins get real exposure and room to grow into something really big. Radium made all the difference. I instantly saw that this is where my projects would start pulling weight. Here, tokens don't just float adrift. They get liquidity counts. And those nearly forgotten pools? Yeah, that's exactly where the smart money comes. This is the kind of spot where people actually notice your coin. I've seen projects skyrocket 100 times overnight, way more often than you'd think. The potential is wild. But yeah, there's a downside. Normally, you need solid dev knowledge just to get started here. Alright, step 1 is crafting a logo that hits like a trending hashtag. You need to make something that steals all the attention from the investors. My formula is using whatever's blowing up on Twitter, memes, celebrities, game news. There's a lot of stuff out there that works. Check that your logo is 128 by 128 pixels. Save the file, and with this, we're ready to crush the next phase. Go to the Solana launch website. This website will be your main tool for creating a coin. First of all, connect your wallet. Next, you will see the coin creation form. It is as simple as possible, just the way you like it. Next, just drag your logo into the field. Great, the logo is loaded. Now enter the name, symbol and description of your coin. Keep in mind that the symbol must be up to 8 characters. On the right, we have fields with the number of characters and the total number of coins. Initially, there are a billion coins here. I do not recommend changing these values. Look, there are additional options below. Leave it as is. If all 3 options are enabled, then on various platforms like the deck screener, the coin will basically have more reputation. Well, now click on the coin creation button and confirm the transaction. Almost done, your token is already in the process of creation. The process itself lasts about 2 to 3 minutes. Do not refresh the page, in a couple of minutes everything will be ready. So, your token is created and already stored on your balance. Here you have the address of your token and several links. Let's go to Solana Explorer and look at your token. Here is your token, it is already in the blockchain. The last step is adding liquidity to the pool of our token. Without liquidity, people won't be able to trade your coin, so just click on Create Liquidity Pool button to continue with the process. You'll arrive to Radium's interface. First is the wallet connection. Now set your base token, which is our meme coin. Grab the address from Solana launch and paste it here. Pop in your token details. Click Add User Token, select your coin to see the 1 billion supply, and then 900 million to the pool. If you wonder why 900 millions, it's just a standard. For the trading pair, Solana is the move. As the owner and creator of your coin, you can just max out your balance here. Investing at least 1 to 2 Solana will make your pool attractive for investors, but always keep 0.2 Solana aside for radiums cut. In the fee tier section, I always go with 2%, but 0.5% works too. Pick your vibe. Final step is smashing Initialize Liquidity Pool and approving the transaction. Now your token's officially open for business. Head over to Photon and check out the radium filter. Your token should be listed there fully active and ready to be traded. Like I mentioned earlier, there's a lot of attention on this space. If your project catches some heat, you could find yourself as the creator of the next viral token. Time to watch the numbers roll. Copy your token address. Head over to Dex Screener, open up any random coin chart, and swap the address with yours. You'll get your live price feed instantly. There'll be bots making tiny buys, but don't let that distract you. What we care about is the graph line. Once that chart starts to spike, that's when you act. Whether it's selling, swapping, or pulling out liquidity, be ready. While you're letting everything settle, go ahead and visit Radium's portfolio section and select the standard tab. That's where your liquidity position will appear. Be aware, it may take a few seconds or even 15 minutes to load. It all depends on the blockchain. You'll need to know that is the key spot to remember, because when your token takes off, this is where you'll go to grab your gains fast. Now, to my coin on Dex Screener. I have 25 minutes in and I got many purchases of about $40. This recent one is worth 0.25 Solana. Liquidity maybe have just a little improvement, but buys are consistent. I have a good feeling about this. 36 minutes now, and I received a buy worth $100 this time. That's almost 0.55 Solana. Liquidity now made a real improvement, and the line has raised plenty. 43 minutes, and to conclude, I received a buy worth $155, or more than 0.8 Solana. Liquidity made another little jump, and the line keeps its shape. When your coins have this much transit, it's better to act quick. So, this is your cue to lock in profits. Starts by making sure your wallet is connected. Use the icon at the top right if it's not already linked. From there, navigate to the standard section. Find your liquidity stake, and click the minus button to move forward. Now we're at the final step, liquidity removal. Push the slider to the full 100% so you're withdrawing everything. You'll see the amount of Solana you'll get. Hit remove liquidity, confirm it in your wallet and boom. Those funds are yours. That wraps it up. You're fully equipped to try this method and, with a bit of patience and effort, grow your wallet the right way. Just be warned, methods like this won't be gold mines forever. It's been a great ride for me, but timing is everything. If you're serious about making money, don't let this one pass you by. You can find links to all the tools I mentioned right in the description. Easy access, no hassle. Wishing you solid plays and even better gains.